Hello viewers, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to review: the wooden Halloween cutting board for kitchen by Treen Art. This cutting board is not just any ordinary board, it's the best pumpkin cutting board available in the market. The Treen Art wooden Halloween cutting board is a must-have for your kitchen this Halloween season. Crafted from premium Indian acacia wood, this board is not only durable but also adds a spooky and scary atmosphere to your kitchen. The creative design and unique wood grain make it a standout piece for all your culinary needs. The board measures 12L x 13W, providing ample surface area for slicing, dicing, and chopping. The handle makes it convenient to carry and serve your favorite cheese, fruits, and salads. Easy to clean, simply wash by hands and wipe dry with a cloth for long-lasting durability. This board makes for a warm gift for loved ones during the upcoming Halloween season. The rustic natural texture and spooky appearance make it a perfect addition to your Halloween decor. Ideal for serving up festive appetizers or cutting up ingredients for Halloween culinary treats. The smooth surface and attractive design make cooking more enjoyable. In conclusion, the Treen Art wooden Halloween cutting board is the best pumpkin cutting board you can find in the market. With its premium quality, unique design, and practicality, it's a must-have for your kitchen this Halloween season. Don't miss out on adding this spooky yet elegant piece to your culinary collection. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Be sure to check out the Treen Art wooden Halloween cutting board for kitchen and elevate your Halloween celebrations in the kitchen. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.